This is continuation from patient page, part 3. Previous visits will show the details of the previous visits. This is usually the first section doctors go to before seeing the patients. The last visit will be displayed in full like this. And the previous visits will be collapsed into these headers. Clicking these headers will show the details in full. If there are more than 5 visits for the year, only the latest 5 will be shown by default. Click this to show all the visits. The previous visits are grouped by year. The number of visits in the particular year is indicated in the brackets next to the year in red. The VN, date and time, and the duration of the consultation are shown here. The primary doctor will be shown here. These boxes are the chronic conditions, history, examination and plan as saved in the history/examination of that visit. The vital signs recorded in the visit will be listed here. Clicking this icon will show the detailed vital signs for this visit. This is the detailed vital signs for this visit. Clicking on the vital signs header will chart the vital sign parameters. The selected vital sign chart. If there is any private and confidential data saved, it will be indicated with this red icon. Click to view. This is the private and confidential notes, viewable only if not set as strictly viewable by a particular doctor. This red icon indicates that obstetrics data has been saved. Click to view. These are the obstetrics data saved. OBS-HX indicates antenatal data has been saved. Click to view. These are the antenatal data saved. CL indicates checklist has been saved for this visit. Click to view. The saved checklist will be shown like this. This icon indicates ophthalmology data has been saved. Click to view. This is the ophthalmology data saved in that visit. Diagnosis for that visit will be stated here. If there are any documents uploaded into this visit, they will be listed here. Clicking on the document number will open the uploaded document. This column will list all the investigations, procedures, injections and medicines recorded in that visit. Clicking the component will show the details box. This is the details box for the component. In this example, let's click to view the details for FBC. The results will be shown here. The results can be updated in the current visit without editing the previous visit. This can be helpful to update the values for results received later, or to update values for posted visits. Click here to start updating. Enter the values in the respective fields. And click Update to save the values. This update of investigations can also be done for CXR, X-ray and USG. This column lists the medical leaves and referral/memo saved. Referrals/memos saved will be listed as Ref1, Ref2 and so on. Clicking that will show the referral/memo. The referral/memo will be shown like this. This column lists the charges and the mode of payment. The panel charges, submission status, invoice and panel payment status are also listed. If any follow-up was saved in the visit, it will be shown here. To list visits from another year, click on the year. Components in the previous visits can be searched here. Type in the search word and press enter to start searching. Visits containing the searched word/term will be listed like this. Clicking on the search result will bring to that visit directly. For clinics with connected clinics/branches, the visits from the other clinics, if any, will be retrieved as well. All clinics will be blinking while the retrieval process is ongoing. Clicking the downward arrow will show the list of the connected clinics/branches. If there are no visits in the connected clinics, the clinics will be listed under No Records. Visits from connected clinics/branches will be displayed with the screen header with the clinic name. Pay attention to the patient name and ID. The search in connected clinics are listed by matching name or matching ID, and the possibility of mix-up is present. By default, the visit details are collapsed. Click to see details. The complete details of the visit are shown. The visits in previous years are shown here. The number in brackets indicate the number of visits in that year. If visits records are present in the connected clinics in previous years, they will be listed like this. The number in brackets indicate the number of visits in that year. The year to list the visits from can also be selected here. The total charges for the year will be shown here. To be continued in Patient Page, Part 5.